I was always interested in the question of the bombs because in Israel there were persistent rumors that Israel had a hand in the bombings. And Iraqi Jews were convinced that Israel had a hand in uprooting them, and they were very resentful of that. And I wanted to know whether this is true or not. I investigated this question, and I didn't want to just repeat conspiracy theories. I wanted to get to the bottom of the matter, and eventually I did. In the course of writing this memoir, I met an elderly friend of my mother's, an Iraqi Jew called Yaakov Karkukli, who had been in the Zionist underground, and he told me a lot about their activities, what they were up to, what they were doing, forging documents, forging passports, paying bribes to officials to facilitate the movement of Jews from Iraq to Israel. And he also told me that one member of his group was called Yosef Basri,